కేరళలో తెలంగాణ మంత్రులు ప్రచారం చేస్తున్నారు. కొండిలో డిప్యూటీ సీఎం భట్టి విక్రమార్క స్థానిక నేతలతో కలిసి కార్నర్ మీటింగ్ లో పాల్గొన్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
The peacefulness and the peace-loving Congress party and the workers, they believe in secularism and good governance. Even in Telangana also, just before the elections that we made so many promises on the name of guarantees. Me as finance minister, I just wanted to share few things with you all, my friends. We promised that we will treat our women like Mahalakshmi. We promised that we will give the free bus ride to all our women wherever they travel from any part of Telangana. And today, in Telangana, if you go and ask any woman, they travel on free of cost. In this 2.5 years, nearing about 10,000 crores worth of free travel tickets money, we have given it to RTC, Road Transport Corporation, on behalf of the women of Telangana. This is the promise what we make, we will implement. And we promise that we will give fine rights to the ration card holders. Should know that we are, 1.15 crore families in Telangana. Out of 1,15 crore families, we are giving fine rights to 1.6 crore families. The fine raise means it is not just 10 rupees, 15 rupees. Each case it's nearing about 50 to 55 rupees fine raise we are giving on free of cost, as we have promised to the people of Telangana at the time of elections that we are implementing it. You can go and check in Telangana. If anybody is having any doubt, they can verify in Telangana. The fine rise is going to each and every family today, every month in the first week itself. We promise that we will give 200 units of free power, and today 53 lakh families in Telangana getting benefited with free power 200 units, for which we are paying every month to the energy department. We promise that we will give this gas cylinder for 500 rupees. And today in Telangana we are implementing, we are giving gas cylinder with only for 500 rupees. We promise that we will give the houses to the shelterless people or those who are not having pakka houses. As we have promised, we have sanctioned 4,50,000 houses with a cost in each house 5 lakh rupees, with an estimated cost of 22,500 crores. And we have sanctioned, and they are all under the execution now in the progress at different levels. We have promised that we will waive the agriculture loan to the tune of 2 lakh rupees. And we have, the moment we came to power, we have implemented nearing about 21,000 crores. Straight away, we have deposited that amount in the accounts of the farmers. All these things, the guarantees what all that we have made at the time of elections, including the employment. We promise that we will give the employment to the unemployed youth. Till now we have completed nearing about 70,000 unemployed youth got into an employment, and the government has given the appointment letters also. The Telangana also giving an highest importance to the education, highest importance to the health. I have seen somewhere here in some X, the present Chief Minister has posted saying that we are spending much money for literacy, we are highest in. I am saying today in Telangana, we are bringing out new schools on the name of Young India Integrated Residential Schools for free education. Each school not less than 20 to 25 acres campus with an estimated budget of 200 crores for each school. These kinds of things, where all the Congress government is there, what all that we make the promises, we will implement it and we will show to the people that we will keep up the promises. On the same lines today, the Congress party, UDF, made some promises here in Kerala for women, girls, students. For college going students, 1,000 rupees per month.
5 lakhs rupees.
And youth for self-employment, 5 lakh rupees without an interest.
3,000 social.
And the pensions, social security pensions, from 2,000 to 3,000 by increasing that they promised. And the insurance on the name of Oman Chandiji,
25 lakhs.
who is known as the People's Chief Minister. Today we are giving the guarantee of 25 lakhs of insurance scheme for the families.
Old man special.
Old man's special scheme.
The cabinet. Or the
And these kinds of promises, the new promises,
ministry. Or the old man's.
and there will be a separate cabinet minister's creation post for the old age population to look after their welfare. I've gone through the
Agriculture.
situation of in Kerala, the most of the youngsters in search of employment going around all over the world. The old age people left over here all alone without having a proper consent and responsibility. Keeping this in mind, the Congress party has given a guarantee today to take care of them. So my request to all the voters, please think about the welfare of the Kerala and let us go for the change, for the better life of the Kerala people and better governance and good governance and secular governance in Kerala.